Hey, hi guys. So today's video is for those who doesn't know how to code but still want to scrape a website. How is it possible? It's possible only through Minexa.ai. Yeah, you can check their website by going to Minexa.ai and let's first understand its usage. We can extract any data in minutes with Minexa.ai API. That's 100% true. And let us check its perks. That it's 10 times cheaper than ChatGPT prompt. Yeah, that's 100% true. It can crack the toughest antibot system and scale without limit. Isn't it amazing? And what's most reliable? That 100% GDPR compliant. Yes, your data is protected with Minexa.ai. Yep. So now, to scrape the website, I'll be scraping this website, Goodreads.com, where we can find any books and finding a books with general fantasy. And for that, very first and foremost, we need to go to their website. We need to go to their dashboard, Minexa.ai.dashboard, and that we need to enter the URL. So what I did, I went to the Goodreads.com and copied their URL, and we'll be pasting it here. And I'll be selecting this list mode and then enter the sample data. I've already filled this data here. What you can do for sample data, you can go to the website and simply select the sample data which you want to see in your output data. So you just need to select and copy it and paste it here. This sample data is for AI to train. So through this sample data, AI gets trained, mine is AI gets trained, and it will give the output. So yeah, once we give the sample data here, then we need to create a scraper. I have already created one scraper before, so here I was getting recreate a scraper option. But you, as you'll be doing it first time, you'll be getting a scrape now within 2 minutes. Yes, within 2 minutes you'll be getting a list of data. See, you'll be getting image URLs. You just need to filter out a bit here. So I'll be filtering a bit. So I've selected image URL. You can see the data here. And then what else we need to select? We need to select a book URL, giveaway URL, book page URL, who's the author, and obviously we'll select the book title 2, release date, and many more. Anything you can select. That's totally up to you. And you need to select this option here, select above, and then it's that simple. We just need to extract. I'll be using extract data here, and just 2 more minutes and you will be having your data. Isn't it amazing? Yes, it's amazing. So let's wait for 2 minutes. And now you have the data. See, URL, image URL, book URL, giveaway URL, and book page URL, author. Every data which you have selected is here. Then simply you can download the JSON, and I'll be downloading it here. It's downloaded. In the JSON format, you have the data. Thank you.